Check out what we just installed. He brought it in himself. Look at how massive that tip is. 8-inch outlet. I want to say 2 feet long. That thing's huge. Whoa, I love it. On a dually. So it's a fully diesel dually. We did an intermediate pipe on it. Out the back, as you guys can see right there. And then we didn't touch any of this stuff. Turbo diesel. There it is. You guys can see it's all old and not touched. So we did the tailpipe on it for him. He wanted it, and he wanted that tip installed. And just for size, that thing's long. It's huge. There's my hand. Like, just for comparison, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hands big. Yeah. So anyway, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. You guys want more diesels? So we're going to get you more diesels. F-350. F-350 diesel. Here we go. Go ahead. 1997. Fully straight piped. With a massive tip. Go ahead. He's trying. 1997 350 XLT diesel. Go ahead. Definitely sounds like a diesel. So good. Go ahead. Right at 100. Go ahead and back it out. Look at this massive thing. Oh my God. I love it. It fits the truck because it's a massive truck. Sounds good. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. He's working on it. He's getting it all restored. It's a fat truck.